Hello, everybody. I just wanted to touch base, send a little message, let you all know what a great job you've done on your first week's assignment, sort of introductory, getting through the course and moving around. Fabulous. I'm happy to see that everyone got most of those questions correct. I graded everything that has been submitted to this point and put it in there. So go ahead and take a look at your grade book. For those of you guys who are a bit confused, we had to blend our class, and that might be a bunch of technology that you don't need to really know about. But in the fact that we blended it, some of you had made your first posts with your names and etc. in that. So I will not grade that first post that we did, but please keep in mind that for every discussion after this, you do, your original initial post and then you meet other people. So even in that one, I was hoping that you would say, "Hey, Sally, nice to meet you. Everything's great. That's a cool major," or whatever the deal is. We'll do that in the future. That's okay. No points deducted, no problems like that. The whole first week is about getting to know and move around through the course. So I'm hoping that you're excited about the OER. It's the first time that we've offered it in this format. So if there's a link that doesn't open, or if there's something that's not very clear or confusing, please feel free to email me about it right away, and I'll try to clarify. Uh, I think that's all I have for you today. Each and every week, I'll put, after I grade your information, I will put up in the announcements some of the things. I'll have sort of two columns, and we'll talk about some of the things that you did really well, and some of the congratulations that we did, and then some of the other things that we might want to improve upon for the next week. So keep thinking about that. Um, so thanks. It looks like it's going to be a great class. All of you guys did very well, and I'm excited to move forward into the meat and potatoes of the course. So take care, and if you need me, feel free to send an email. Bye.